welcome to the clinic. Let's get you all checked in. Okay, first name. Okay. Last name. Okay. And your phone number. Okay, cool. You are all checked in, and nurse will be right with you. Hi, my name is Nurse Abigail. I will be your nurse today. Okay, so let's get started. So, can you confirm your name? Cool. Last name? How do you spell that? Okay, cool. And your date of birth? Awesome. Okay, so what seems to be going on? Okay, cool. So, I'm just gonna take your vitals and then the doctor will be right. Okay? So, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take your blood pressure. And this might be a little cold, so I'm sorry. So, your blood pressure is a little elevated, but that's alright. I will just make a note of that, and the doctor will definitely maybe just do a double check of that, okay? So, the next thing I'm going to do is I am just going to take your, just check your oxygen. Just give that a minute. Heart rate was just a little elevated, but that's okay. You might be. Are you a little nervous? Yeah. Okay. That's okay. Everybody gets nervous at the doctor's office. And then I'm also going to check your temperature as well. So you have completely normal temperature, which is a good thing. So the doctor will be in a few minutes. She's just finishing up her patient. Okay. Hi, my name is Dr. Bella. I will be your doctor today. It's very nice to meet you. Okay, so looks like our newest nurse did a great job, which is good. So it looks like your blood pressure was a little elevated, which is okay. We'll just retake it again, which is fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna retake your blood pressure, okay? Spin out your arm. I'm also gonna take your pulse after this, or take your pulse after this. Oops, wrong way. So it definitely is a little elevated, which is fine. Do you have any high blood pressure in your family? Okay, cool. Okay, good to know. Okay, so it's not crazy high. You don't really need medications. Do you drink caffeine? You do? Okay. Maybe take it easy on how much caffeine you drink during the day. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna get you off of this. So sorry, I forgot to take that off. Okay, so I'm gonna listen to your heart and your lungs now, okay? It might be a little cold, so I'm sorry. I'm just gonna listen with the bell. Can I have your palm? I'm gonna take your pulse. So your heart sounds completely normal, which is great. No murmurs there. Okay. I'm just gonna listen to your lungs in the front and back, okay? So every time I put my stethoscope on you, please take a deep breath. Deep breath. Good. Deep breath. Good. Again. Good. Again. Good. Last time. Good. One last time. Good. If I can just have you, I'm just gonna listen to your back, okay? Good. Good. Could you cough for me? Good. Deep breath. Good. And one last time. Last time. Okay, good. So your lungs sound completely clear in front and back, which is good. So, that's good. So when I had you cough, it did sound like that there was a little bit of fluid in there. So I am going to give you a prescription for that. And then your temperature is not elevated, which is good. Everything looks completely normal, except for the blood pressure. So everything looks completely good. I will give you medication for that. And then, yeah, so if you just go up to the receptionist desk and they'll write you a prescription, okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my roleplay.